Everybody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're a regular and you always pull up, welcome back. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. You know how the God get down. Thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch the channel. Today, I'll be hitting you guys with a big ass unboxing. And when I say big ass unboxing, I mean big ass unboxing. I got this brand new unboxing from the Container Store. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I thought it was time to re-up again on some brand new containers. Of course, I got my certain set, but I thought I wanted to add a few more. Of course, I've been collecting sneakers for a while now, and there's a few more sneakers that I feel like need cases now. So I slid to the Container Store this past weekend with the wife, and she copped a few things, and while I was in there, I thought, you know, it was only right to grab some more sneaker cases. So I grabbed another set of 6. So let's open these up and let's get them stacked up, man. Add more to the collection in the back. I'm glad to be able to add more containers and continue to just grow the collection, man. Shout out to the containerstore.com. If you're not familiar with the Container Store, you definitely need to get with these guys. These drop front shoe boxes like these in the back. Definitely perfect for keeping your collection solid, in order, and everything visible. So if you're not familiar with the sneaker Container Store, you definitely need to get hip. It's kind of a staple in the sneaker game now. If you're not new to this, then you know these are automatic. As your collection continues to grow, you will have to buy more cases, but my collection is perfect where I want it. So this was probably the last time I'll have to cop some cases, but if I do decide to cop a few more to finish adding to the collection, I can always do that as well. But this was my set of 6. Glad I was able to pick these up. The Container Store actually has a lot of deals right now. Definitely look online. Make sure you sign up for the emailing list because they always dropping coupons on these, and you can always get them for a very great price. But this was just a small little light work, big ass unboxing. I went to the Container Store and I grabbed a few more sneaker cases. I'll leave a link in the description box down below where you can pick these up if you're in the market and you're looking for some of these as well. But make sure you hit that thumbs up. Shout out to everybody who always rocking with me, rocking with the channel. It's a blessing, man, to continue to keep making content. It's spring 2018. I've been doing this since 2014, and I'm gonna just continue to mash and give you guys great content, trying to step it up and be the best YouTuber I can be. That sounds corny as shit, but at the end of the day, guys, I'm here to give you guys bomb content, and I'm gonna keep it mobbing. So, illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown, and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. What you call an icon? Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.